Hello everybody. So today I'm going to perm my hair permanently because I usually go to salon for how many years already for having my hair curl, but I couldn't achieve what I really want to have because I really want to have the cold curl, but they always do the kinky ones, the small, and it's good, but what I really want to have is the big curls. And here in South Korea, curling your hair in the salon is really worth a lot of money. It is worth maybe 300 and above, 300,000 Korean won, which amounting into 290 US dollar and above. It depends upon the curl that you wanted to have, but that's the minimum amount. Okay, so going to show you what are the things that we will be needing for this permanent curling or perming. So now we have here the number one. This is the most important because this will be the one who will be making our hair really perm or curl. Okay, this is what we're going to put first before this. This is the neutralizer that will make the curl soft. So after being curled, that's the time we're going to put this. Okay. And I have two bottles here. I put it number two. This is for this one so that it won't be mixing. And this one will be this. Okay. Okay, next we have here also this one that we'll be putting in this side. Okay, next we also have here the comb, pink and black. Pink because I like pink and black is beautiful. Okay, and we have clip. This is actually two, but the other one was already destroyed. This is easier for us to separate the hair from each other. And we have here the two kind of curler. We call this curler. This is smaller one and this is bigger one. For bigger curls, this one, so I want to actually use this in front, and this smaller is for my back. And we also have here the, where are you, we will be needing this while curling our hair. Okay, so we also have here this one. If it's too big, you can resize it or adjust it by tying here. So I actually tied in this part, just exactly on this part, because this actually helps your hair to be changing or making the temperature high, heating your hair. Okay, and this is for the ear. It's so cute actually. Okay. So while putting the solution, we're going to put this on the ears because sometimes it's actually so painful. Okay, like this. And then you're going to put this so it's good. Okay, so all of these things is actually worth 70,000 Korean won, and there's also more. There are two more extras. This one for this one, and there are four packs of this, and two. All of this with the amount of 70 Korean won, 70,000 Korean won in US dollar is probably 60 US dollar. Rather than going out and having the perm outside, which cost a minimum of 300,000 Korean won or 290 US dollar. And you can also use this probably 2 to 4 times actually. So it's really great. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to teach you first this step. on how to do it. First is that you're going to wash your hair with clarifying shampoo without using any conditioner at all. Or here in Korea, they call that rinse. Don't use rinse, okay? Just shampoo. And next, number two is to just tap your hair with the towel so that it will stay to be like still wet but not soaking wet. We call that damp hair or damp, just just a little bit wet. Okay, and the next is to divide your hair into three. I want to do this. It depends what you want to, how do you want to divide your hair. Okay, here's just a tip reminder to put on the black clothes for you to be sure that you won't be messing up some of your clothes. And because some of especially this number one, it's very strong, so if go to your neck, if you have some allergy, then it won't be good. So I usually wear this to protect my skin. Okay, and I'm going to wear the black one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It should be black. Okay. Okay, so let's start. So first you're going to remove this, or it depends on where you wanted to start. If you want to start here, then you can start there. If here, then you can do it. Okay, because I want to start in this part. Okay, and I want to make it so it's damp here. It's actually damp. Okay, so we're going to comb. Okay, and then we will separate it according to your preference, because I want just big curls. Okay, so I'm going to separate like this and use this, so it's actually easier. Okay, so I want to turn it inside because it's easier actually for me. It's easier for me to do this. Okay, so like this one. Okay, be sure to make it tight if you will do this. Okay, do it like this. And then because I'm not going to use bigger ones, and it depends if you want to do it outside or inside, but for me, I want to do it inside. Okay, okay, so this is it. Next in here. Okay, so divide it according to what you want. Okay, so maybe I will divide it by 3. So 1, 2, 3. So again, just do this. Okay, and then put this. And the last part, the tip of your hair is very important for curling your hair, because if it won't be good, then it's not good. It's actually the tip will make your hair like flower. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like this one. Okay, and then where you like this. Okay, so if like this, your hair is like this, just follow it. Okay, I want to put it inside, so like this. because my hair doesn't have same 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 length, then it would be a little tough, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Just to put it in here and do this. Oh, it's a bit tough. Usually I wet a little more, but now maybe no need. Okay, so this is it. Okay, oh, and then this is it. So after curling and having makeup retouch done, so now it's become like this. Probably I know that it's not perfect because it's hard to do by yourself actually. I didn't know doing by yourself is really tough. It's better to do on another hair than yourself. But I hope it will be all right. And I use exactly one bottle, but now I will put a little more for me to put on those curls to be sure that it will really come out what I wanted it to be. So we need to put this. Oh, oh man. We're going to put this, and if we're going to would be all right. Oh, it's really tough doing these yourself, but probably it will be all right. It will be all right. And here we go. Come on. Oh, come on. This. Oh, the what is by this cap? Probably okay. This is really helpful anyway. Okay, be sure that everything will be covered. And we're going to wait for 3 hours. 3 hours. We can use the blower, but probably I want to have just the cold perming, because I used the, what do you call this, the blower last time, and the end or the split ends like already like really dyed, really dry, really dry. So now I just want to use this for 3 hours, and later 3 hours later. Okay, let's just remove it, the clip. I want to put it back. Oh, can you see the sexy shape? Oh, amazing. It's really thin. Probably I won't shower. Oh. Oh, oh my gosh. I like this shape. Okay. And how about here? This is a little tough, this part. So let's see what happened here. That's still beautiful. Okay. It's really wonderful. You can see the curve. Then the curly that I did the other week ago. As you can see, before I started curling this, it's really conky, a small curl and like really destroyed hair and very dry. But this is awful. We didn't yet put the second one. The second that we're going to put is the neutralizer. So now we're going to put it in here. Okay. As you can see, the curls are really wavy. It's like this. It's not conky. Like big curl. Like this. Especially at the bottom. The shape. Wash the hair with warm water. Oh my, it's really hot. Oh. Okay. It's so soft. Oh, I like it. Really soft. Okay. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so we put the not shampoo, it's the conditioner actually. We put the conditioner like that. Oh, perm it and turn into more beautiful one. So you can see the finish perm. It's beautiful, and this is what I really want to have. Big curls, and you can see on the tip, it's become beautiful. It's not too dry anymore. Okay, so till the next video.